So guys, actually, when we prepare for GATE Aerospace exam using different coaching centers, every coaching center gives you a different exploration, and they have a dedication level of, different level of dedication. So in my coaching center, I provide so many things, and best part, what I used to provide to my students is actually the personal support. That is very important. Personal support means it is like 24-hour freedom. Like whenever you are free, whenever I'm free, you can ask your question, you can ask your doubts, and I don't have limitations like you don't ask this, you don't ask that, this. No, whatever you want to ask, you ask. Only condition is you should be enrolled in the particular package. Okay. So like mostly I whatever I used to do about me or about my coaching center, about GATE Aerospace, I used to upload on YouTube. So today I am creating a very good classroom where I'll be discussing your GATE health. GATE health means whatever preparation you are doing, like personal interaction. Actually, see what is happening right now. What is happening, and I'm not satisfied with that. What is happening? I am taking live classes, and whatever classes I am taking, I am recording that video as well, and students are watching that video for their revision purpose, or if they are missing the classes, then they are watching the videos. Okay. And other than that, we have all the facilities like test series, PDFs, and all the books and materials, like everything, formula book, everything we have. Okay, that is very secondary. Main thing is the live class. So after the live class, students are solving their numericals and they're asking doubts. Okay, now important part is here, you are asking doubt. So when you are asking doubt, I am explaining those doubts, and when you are asking those doubts, meanwhile sometimes I ask you some cross questions. Okay. And to test yourself, where do you stand, already I have very good level of test series. There you will go and you will take your topic wise test series or chapter wise test series, subject wise test series. Like already 270 test series are active, and by the October 2023 all 400 test series will be activated. Okay. So like last year for 2022 batch, all the students, they have taken 275 test series. That was my really, it was a big task for me to create a very valuable, very up to date, and very recognized level of test series. Like everything should be detailed, like any question, all the topics, everything should be covered, concept wise, numerical wise. So 275 test series I have done, but I have to take my coaching center up to that level where no one else can stand in front of me. So for that, this year target I have given to myself, like by the end of 2023 October, all the 400 test series should be activated. Okay, this is one thing. But other than that, so students can judge themselves by taking test series, where do they stand. But other than that, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So on this Thursday, I'm going to assign a slot. In that slot, I'll be taking very personal care of your gate health. Gate health means it is like, in medical field we go for a regular health checkup. Even though we are doing good, but we go for health checkup. Okay. So that in case if something is wrong, we can take care as soon as possible. In same way, you are preparing for gate exam. So where do you stand, what is your position, what is your current situation? Okay. So that I will judge, and then as per my guidance and as per my opinion, you will change your track of preparation. Okay. Or I will put you from this work to this work, I will shift your workload, don't do this, do this one. Okay. This is actually very healthy. Now, how I'm finding this much time to do all these stuffs? Because see, I am totally into this academic. I am teaching GATE Aerospace only. I don't do anything else, because this is really amazing when students are getting IITs because of my inputs and because of their hard work. Okay, this gives me amazing feeling, like yes, students are when we are doing, students are getting into IITs. So my best part is I am free, and my next best part is I am available for your doubts whenever you are asking your doubts. Okay. But of course, like package wise, you have to take, like which package you are taking. In that package, doubt session or gate health session is there or not. So I am introducing a new feature in this, that is gate health interview. So I'll say GHI. So in this GATE health interview, actually this video I'm making for my regular batch students, and after making this video I'll give them this link so they will watch and they will understand what I'm trying to say. But this video will be public on YouTube so that others can also see that these are the facilities I provide in my coaching center, right? So I hope you'll appreciate this part. Like, see, procedure is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday you guys are having, and Thursday you guys are having your classes, and after that you have your preparation and all the things. Like 8:30 to 11 p.m. we have classes, 2.5 hours every day. So after these classes, remaining 3-4 days are free for you, and you are practicing, right? And you are testing yourself with the help of test series, and you are asking your doubts, your test series doubt, and your all the doubts you are asking. But meanwhile, one more important thing is missing. That is, when you are asking your doubts, you are asking those doubts where you are preparing. Like, for example, I am doing lecture number 22, but you are revising chapter number 17, or you are at chapter number 11. Okay. So in this case, this lag, I want to feel that like what mistake you are having, what are things. Like, for that, it is kind of a very personal level interview. Even though you have call facilities, you can call me anytime. But here I'm starting GATE health interview, GHI. So this interview I'll be taking. I have some set of questions and some set of cross questions, so that I can judge where do you stand. And this part is very, very important, so that I can make you to be aware that you are not doing good, you are not at the right position, you have to change your plannings. Okay, so for this purpose I am creating a new slot for my students. So on Thursday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So on Thursday, the last day of our week, on Thursday, we will be having this slot. Okay, so I thought like I should make a announcement for this. And if you are new, you are watching my video for the very first time, so I have qualified GATE Aerospace 6 times, and I am taking GATE classes for aerospace for 8+ years. And if you want to know more, just visit my channel, watch all the videos on my channel for like 4-5 days, and you will come to know about me and my coaching center, and immediately you join the GATE Aerospace classes if you have not done yet. Thank you so much.